Hi, this is Case, and I'm going to present to you solving quadratics by factoring. 3.12. What is a quadratic? A quadratic is an equation written as ax squared plus bx plus c. What is factoring? Factoring is an important process in algebra which is used to simplify expressions, simplify fractions, and solve equations. Equation. The equation for solving quadratics by factoring is ax squared plus bx plus c. Examples of this are 3x squared plus 5x plus 6 and x squared plus 6x plus 9. As long as you use the formula ax squared plus bx plus c, you can put any numbers into a, b, or c and it would work. An easy example of solving quadratics by factoring is the following. Y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, step number 1, you're going to create a factor chart. Factors of C. C is right here. C, as pairs. So, 1 times 1 is equal to C, and 1 plus 1 is equal to B. B. Step 2. Determine which a factor pair of C has a sum of B. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. So 2 ones. Step 3. Insert that pair into binomial factors. Y equals x plus 1 parentheses x plus 1. Another way of doing this is saying y equals parentheses x plus 1 squared, because x plus 1 times x plus 1 is the same as x plus 1 squared. Step 4. Solve each binomial for 0. So, considering both the binomials are x plus 1, you're going to go x plus 1 equals 0. And you subtract the positive 1 to the 0 side, and you get x equals a negative 1. So the 0 of this equation is a negative 1. The semi-hard example. 3x squared plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. What you're going to do first here is you're going to divide the x's by 3. You're going to get you're going to get 3 times x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. And what you're going to do after this is the same as the easy example. You're going to find two numbers that multiply to equal negative 6 and add together to equal positive 1. So 3 and negative 2 multiply to equal negative 6, and 3 minus 2 equals a positive 1. So what you're going to do is take your 3 down and make it parentheses x plus 3 times parentheses x minus 2 equals 0. What you're going to do after that is you're going to do 3 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0, and x minus 2 equals 0. So what you can't do here, you can't do anything there. You can get x plus 3 equals 0, so the 0 there would be a negative 3. And x minus 2 equals 0, and the other 0 is a positive 2. The hard example. Solve a quadratic equation by factoring. Solve 12x squared minus 13x plus 3 equals 0. What are two factors of 36 that add to negative 13? They are negative 4 and negative 9. Because negative 4 minus 9 equals negative 13, and negative 4 times negative 9 equals positive 36. So what you're going to do here is you're going to get your 12 distributed down, and you're going to get parentheses x minus 4 and parentheses x minus 9. And with those numbers, you're going to divide them by 12 because you have a 12 here that needs to be divided by this -4 and this -9, and you equal 0. So when you divide your -4 divided by 12, you're going to receive a -1/3. When you divide -9/12, you're going to receive a -3/4. You're going to keep your 12 there, and it's going to equal 12 times x minus 1/3 times x minus 3/4 equals 0. So you're going to get x minus 1/3, and you're going to do this equaling 0, and that will equal positive 1/3, and you're going to get x minus 3/4 equaling 0, and that will give you a positive 3/4. And that is your solution set. Thank you for watching.